Hello, I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of ESS BIZTOOLS. Welcome to Accountant's Minute. Well, at long last, the early stage innovation company regime's about to commence in Australia. The legislation was passed by the Senate in early May and is operational from the 1st of July. To celebrate, we're running a special webinar on Wednesday the 6th of July at 2 p.m. to take you through how the early stage innovation companies operates. And we're going to repeat that webinar on Tuesday the 12th of July at 12 noon. So what's included in early stage innovation companies? It's for a company who has developed a new product, process, service, marketing or organisational method and they wish to raise capital. Investors get a special benefit. There's a tax offset of a maximum amount of $200,000 and there is a capital gains tax exemption. The company though has to first of all pass a preliminary test which is centred on the amount of expenditure that the company has incurred in the previous year and the amount of assessable income. And if the company passes those tests, they then move into one of two further tests, the gateway test or the principles test. Now the gateways test looks at the history of the company relative to expenditure on research and development, whether they have participated in the Accelerating Commercialisation grant, whether they are a participant in an accelerator program, whether they've been able to register some form of intellectual property in Australia or overseas, whether they've already attracted arm's length investors who have invested more than $50,000 into the company. The second test, which is only utilised if they do not earn 100 points out of the gateway test, looks at the commercialisation prospects for the product, process, service, marketing or organisational method. And we believe that to self-assess on that test, most companies will need some assistance from external professional advisors, and we have organised one of those firms, BizTalk Proprietary Limited, who are able to conduct a due diligence review on the company to see whether it satisfies the legal requirements to be assessed as being an early stage innovation company. So this whole process is on self-assessment, so it's very important that a proper methodology is used because investors are going to want to have some certainty that a company will in fact be accepted by the Australian Taxation Office as being an early stage innovation company as part of their investment contribution. The investors receive a 20% tax offset, maximum of $200,000. That's for sophisticated investors. For retail investors, the maximum investment is $50,000, so the maximum tax offset is $10,000. And the capital gains tax exemption applies from the end of year 1 to the end of year 10 for the shares being held in the company. We've developed a special product package on the early stage innovation companies which is available from Wednesday the 6th of July for $299 subscription, which includes GST, or you could subscribe to the total ESS BizTools Gold package, which includes not only the early stage innovation company but all of the other material that's part of ESS BizTools. If you would like a copy of a paper we have written on early stage innovation company, please go to our website www.essbiztools.com.au to obtain it. And on that website you can also register for the webinar. So early stage innovation company package joins our other key products that we have deliberately developed that are quite unique as products for the Australian accounting industry to help you as an accounting practice deliver a range of non-taxation services to your clients. The Personal Property Securities Register due diligence system is a key risk management tool for you to use with your clients. Debtors review is another very important tool, and the debtors manual which you can make available to your clients. Succession planning material is also included, as is our cash flow management system and our Chief Financial Officer system to help you deliver services to your clients. So we look forward to talking to you on Wednesday the 6th of July. If I don't talk to you again, or you don't hear from me prior to the 30th of June, have a very happy end of financial year, and may 2016-17 be a great year for you and your colleagues in your firm. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.